Ang itong.
Ito yung lake,
Lake Binado.
lake ng Mawa ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Marasa. Masara.
Masara.
Leyte. New
Mainit.
Leyte.
Actually, New Leyte. This is the lake. And over there is the Kuan. Is the this place. There at the top, together with me is my bunso, Kimwell. Hello, bunso.
Orange.
Hello, bunso. And his best friend, Makmak. Yan si Makmak.
Exclusive.
And me, the most beautiful mommy on earth.
YouTube.
Okay.
Ayun ang madum. Ayun ang tagong skandal. Magbuhat taga to ang kwan.
And
One Piece.
it's the place where, yan,
Ayun ang.
ang saya-saya dito. Ang ganda-ganda, ang layo-layo, Diyos ko. Naubos ang 100 litro punta dito. But it's nice. It's nice place. And it's nice place.
Need to buy food.
Yan, namingwit sila ng isda.
You want to see my money?
Okay.